79, slow down. I hear noises I don't like. I think it's blowing up. Oil pressure's lower than it was, and it has a knocking sound. That doesn't sound normal.
Yeah, shut it off.
All right, we're out here. We're gonna start pulling this thing apart. Let's get the motor down out. I kind of built this so it could come out the bottom, and I wasn't wanting to find out this soon if that's gonna work out. But we're here, we're gonna find out, and that's how we're gonna take it apart. So let's tear into this thing. Still gotta find another motor. Still gotta figure out everything wrong with this one. But we know this one's junk, so let's get into it. All right, we're halfway down out. It's coming out. So I made the mistake of using my creeper down there and it just smashed it. I'm gonna have to get a little better system when this thing's go back together, but oh well, let's just keep on moving forward. We'll find the tensile strength of the ground wires here soon, probably, if I miss any. The engine's dropped out of the Prius. Wasn't too bad, took a couple hours. Of course, coming out is easy. You got gravity on your side. Putting it back in is gonna be a little harder to get everything lined up, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna get it on an engine stand here and then start tearing it apart. I got the pan pulled off the bottom of this 5.3 and there's a lot of junk in there. Look at that. She was torn up. I can see maybe one issue. So here's my dipstick end. Look how far down in that sump. So there's your full level. Look at that, it's way down in there. I feel like you should have oil, you know, even above this baffle, which would be, you know, pretty far up that stick, not clear down there. I'll pull this baffle out at some point here and actually see how far off the ground that is. But when I pulled oil out, I was measuring that and I got about 6 quarts. I can't imagine that being down in there, 6 quarts would fit in there. It doesn't seem like it's that big. I think 6 quarts would fill this whole sump up, but I don't know. We're gonna look into that, even if I have to use water to displace that 6 quarts and see how full this pan really is. That'll do it. Number 6 and number 4 is doing the same thing. All right, here our little update of where we're at right now. Here's the 5.3, I got it pulled out. It's got the bad rod bearings. Pretty much done with everything on this, I believe. And then, I was thinking about what else I can do to this new 6.0 I'm gonna get, and I thought I remembered 243 head is a really good factory casting that's probably about the best head you can get to put on a motor. So I was doing some Googling about them, and I found out that they are on a lot of 5.3 and 4.8s, as well as like an LS6 or the Corvettes and stuff. And then I remembered that I had a 4.8 shoved underneath the bench here for a couple years now. And right there it is. It was a complete motor about a half an hour ago. So I peeked under the cover that was covering it, and well, it's got 243 heads on it. Didn't even know that. So we yanked these off the 4.8, and these are going on the 6.0 I'm getting. So we're picking that up tomorrow. And I got some new parts. BTR camshaft. This is what they call the stage 2. I know I hate calling things stages, but this is the stage 2 LS1, LS2 cam. I got 660 lift dual valve springs with retainers, keepers, valve seals, and then new oil pump, because a bunch of chunks went through the old oil pump. I'm gonna retain my old timing chain because that was brand new. I'm gonna measure push rod length once I get this all together and decide if I can use those. Those are 7.4 inch hardened push rods from Texas Speed. So we'll see if I can still use those. Hopefully I can. Oil pan's all cleaned up. I found that the dipstick was too long. It's giving me a very false full reading. So I shortened it up, and with the pan off, I could put it in here and see exactly where it's at. Also, pickup tube was really short. It was only going in about that deep. So barely even into this baffle here. So, I know my welds aren't pretty, but we added to it. It's sealed up, I water tested it. That is going to get me down into here. So we get a little better oil pickup. That should fix our issues. Yeah, everything's coming apart right now, but hopefully tomorrow we get our 6.0, we'll get it on the stand, start tearing it all apart, and then start assembling heads. So I'm pretty excited. We still have no engine for the Prius yet. It's still at the machine shop. So, been a little bit since we made a video, so we're gonna do one here. We've got some crazy carts going. And Liam's RC cart motor locked up. So apparently he thinks I blew up the engine in the Prius. He can blow up his motor in his RC car. But we got a new, nice, clean, shiny one. We're gonna put it in.
Hey Nora, do a drift. Next time I'm doing camping with my babies and with up there. And I just don't want to, but not right now, but bye-bye. Bye-bye. I was just on the phone with you, but what? Nothing. Don't you take a picture of me? I'm recording right now for the YouTube video. Okay. See, Nora? I know, but the boats are up there. Yeah. For I just like the blue one and the orange one. Those are for whenever we doing the water and never.
Yeah.
I love it, but.
Okay, so guys, I'm pretty sure this is the 6.0. Oh, 5.3. Wamba. Ooh, it's greasy in there.
Also, Liam, you have to do.
Should have thought about that.
And I'm going to do it with my baby.
My crazy card is over here. I use this one. Hold on. Hold on.
All right, we got the new motor in. Start this thing up. We'll try it without the body and make sure it is fixed first. Okay, go ahead and try it. Oh,
Liam, I want the driving. Liam, you're driving.
something sounds tight.
Liam, you're driving it. Liam, you're driving it.
I know.
Can I please have it?
All right, something's still screwed up in the gears. We took the motor loose and the motor spins free now. This motor is definitely locked up, and I can see it's off center for some reason too. I don't know when this broke, if it broke something in there, but something seems tight and squealing. So we're gonna tear this apart and see what we find. I got this slippier gear here pulled out, and this bearing right here is locked up. So that's the squealing noise we're hearing. Can't spin it. I'm pretty sure I got extras in there. We'll take a look.
How is it, Daddy? Still locked up.
Yeah. Okay. I just gotta tighten these bolts up there. Tighten the screws up. Why don't you go jump that stone pile?
Okay.
Oh, I landed it.
Yeah?
It's a little too steep.
What?
Okay, Liam, I made it a little better.
Keep on going, Nora.
Okay, Liam. Yeah, you landed it. Oh, right in the bushes. You gotta get more air. Oh, those are the downspout pipes.
You're going crazy.
You gotta go get more air than that.
So I did hit the side.
I know you did. Try to hit her straight. Oh, he's getting a bigger run. You landed it. That was a little better, but you're off a little bit.
Woo! He's doing a wheelie. Dragonfly.
Turn this way. Okay, go. Head. Oh, jeez. It's rolling. It's still rolling. Ah. You can't even see it, can you?
Oh, I see it. Let me get it. Can you see it? Yes.
What happened?
Let me hold it.
What did you do? We just fixed it.
Tires broke.
Well, that might be the one the screw keeps coming out on. Let's see. Yeah, this
Tire broke.
yeah, it just came out of this screw right here. We can put it back together. We're gonna go get an Allen wrench.
Now it's my turn. I'm getting some big air. Rolling and then I went like this. And I landed on a couple.
All right, we got her fixed back up. Just a loose screw came out. It happens. But the RC is fixed. The motor sounds better than it has in a long time because Liam likes running it through the water and mud. Can't be good for it, but. Well, the kids went back up to the house, so that'll do it for this short little video, but that's just a little update of where we're at. Waiting for the engine from the machine shop. And then hopefully we can start reassembling. But we're getting the crank polished, the cylinder bores honed, the deck resurfaced, and the heads resurfaced. But I got all my parts, I got all my bearings and everything, so just waiting to get that back, and we'll start reassembling.
You want to sit down, bud?
This is so cool.
Oh boy. I know, it was so high. Somebody's not going to get stuck. Those are fun. The show must go. They can smell it. Looks like they're supposed to us first. Then reach over and like. Thinking about it. Okay. Whoa.
No, don't.
Oh, that was cute.
It was green and pink. They looked like wicked.
I felt the same. Yeah, there's a lot of fires down there.
Wait, why is there another fire starting?
That happened last year.
You have a fire!
That's fine.
They should have
They're jumping
a
on it.
fire extinguisher.
They're jumping on it.
Yeah, that happened last year.